You've seen many cinematic promotions and videos like this on the internet. And you also know very well that earlier, to create videos like these, you had to spend thousands, even lakhs of rupees. Without a big setup and without hiring a big team, creating these kinds of videos was impossible. But today, in this era of AI, cinematic videos, promotions, and ads like this can be created simply by writing a prompt. And you can create the exact video you imagined. So today, in this video, I'm going to properly guide you on how you can use Google Veo 3, not with a simple prompt, but with a proper professional prompt, to create videos like this. With a regular prompt, you will not get results like these. You must write a professional prompt for it. And the method for that, I will guide you properly in this video. Why Google Veo 3? Because Google Veo 3 is currently the world's most advanced AI system. It takes just one line of your text and turns it into an image or video exactly according to your imagination. And that video is not useless. You can use it easily for your marketing, your business, your YouTube, and even for advertising, and get full benefit from it. And this video is not just a video about creating videos with AI. I am going to give you concepts from where you can create videos like these and use them in your freelancing field, your business field, your e-commerce field, and not only in your content creation journey. Whatever field you are in, if you are connected to the internet, connected to media, then this video will give you a lot of knowledge. And do not miss the last segment of the video. There, I will guide you about 2 or 4 more sites where you can do all of this totally free of cost. And today, my throat is a little bad, so please bear with me. Watch the video completely. So first of all, let's talk about the prompt. If you don't have a good prompt, you won't get a good result either. So how do you write a good prompt? For that, I'm giving you an example. Come to Google Translate. Here, do a voiceover and give complete information about your ad or whatever video you want to create. Just add one thing, JSON-style prompt. A normal prompt is in the shape of one paragraph, but when it comes to a JSON-style prompt, everything becomes very clear. In a simple paragraph-style prompt, the AI often gets confused and you don't get the result you want. But if you give the prompt in JSON style, as you can see on the screen right now, then every single detail becomes clear to the AI, and it provides the exact result you imagined. So here, you tell it everything and copy it. Come to ChatGPT. I have already written it here. Before creating the video, I have tried multiple times. Again, we paste it here. Now it will not give a simple paragraph prompt. Instead, it will provide a detailed JSON-style prompt. And you can see the prompts have started appearing. I had asked for 4 or 5 concepts, and it easily provided them. Now, the prompt I gave is for making a car advertisement, in which there is the structure of a car, the camera moves from different angles, and slowly that car structure transforms into a futuristic car. So these prompts are ready. We'll take the first prompt and copy it. After copying, you need to come to Google JNI. Here you will paste your prompt. Then from the tools, choose the option Create Video with Veo. After that, simply click Enter. In a few seconds, the video will be ready. It takes 2 to 3 minutes. You just need to wait. And here is a pro tip. Understand it while our video is getting created. Inside Google JNE, when you start creating videos under Veo 3, after 4 videos, you get a time limit. Then, you cannot create more videos for about 4 hours. So if you only want 2 or 3 videos at one time, then it's fine. Use the same system. But if you want to create videos in a continuous flow, then Google has provided a great option. Go to Google and type Google V3 Flow. Click the first link, Labs Google Flow About. This will open the updated version of Google Veo 3. Click Create with Flow. Go to New Project. Now here you can give the prompt step by step however you want. Just keep giving them. In this, you will not face any kind of limitations. This is the same Google Veo 3 model, but a little more updated, more advanced, and limitless. Meanwhile, our video must be ready. Now let's play it. And here you can see. If you had to create a video like this of a car with such realistic and cinematic style, where would you get the car? Or else you would call animators. They would take weeks or even months, and still maybe the result would not be like this. Just like that, I gave it a prompt about a perfume advertisement. I provided it complete information in JSON style, and I told it that the name of the perfume should be Fazal's Vibe. So this is the result it gave us. Before this, I had created another video as well. Watch that too. The same way, look at this car video. Watch this. Look at this. So if you want to create 4 or 5 videos like this or even more, and you want to create them in a continuous flow, then I have already guided you that you need to go into flow. When you click on Create Flow, this window will open in front of you. Here, you will paste your prompt and continue working in flow. Let me add one more thing here. In our videos these days, I am using Google Veo 3 a lot. Let me show you my library. These videos from 2, 3, or 5 days ago, whatever scenes you have seen in them, all of them were created here in Veo 3 and added into our videos. And for today's video as well, I had prepared another sample. Let me show you that too. This is the car one. This is the perfume. After that, another perfume. And look at this. Now let me show you the potato chips one. I named the brand Faisal's Crisps. And here is the ad. Look at it carefully. What a high-level job it has done. The wrapper is also created. Whatever color scheme I gave, that color scheme is also there. And look at its clarity. See here how high-level the work is. It understands things. It shows salted. It shows the salt. And look how clearly it zoomed into the potato chips. And it has created the video in a very energetic style. So in this way, whatever you want, you can create videos. You only need to imagine it and give it a prompt. For your business, for advertising, for your agency, for freelancing, whatever field you are in, you can cover your idea in your normal language in Google Translate. From there, get a JSON-style prompt written. Give that prompt to Veo 3, and it will give you the exact result and create the video exactly as you imagined. Now the question comes, how will you use this as a business? For that, I am providing you a proper professional template of ChatGPT. Come to ChatGPT. Here, you will paste this prompt. This one, I will put in the description. You can copy it. As soon as you give this prompt to ChatGPT, it will understand everything and ask you the name of your brand, your business name, what you are selling, what its unique selling points are. If you want to set the environment, futuristic city, desert road, luxury studio, you can tell it. You can also leave it empty. After pasting this prompt, ChatGPT will understand what you want. Then you will provide it a little bit of detail. If you have your brand's PNG logo, JPG logo, product wrapper, banner, flex, any name, you can click on the plus button here and upload your logo or files. And whatever information it asks for, you will enter that too. Then ChatGPT will give you a detailed JSON-style prompt exactly according to your business. Understand this clearly. Google Veo 3 is the most advanced AI system so far, and it is fully paid, not free. Many of you want to do this work for free in the beginning, so how will you do it for free? This is the last segment of our video where I am going to guide you on how you can make such videos for free. For that, there are some models like KYAI. When you log in, you get some free tokens. And not just free tokens, you get some different AI video making models here as well. For example, Sura is available, Veo 3 is available. Apart from that, 4.0, Flux, Kling, Van, different models are available. You can try them one by one. I tried it. I gave it the same potato chips prompt, and it provided me this result. Look carefully. I'll play it on full screen. So like this, you can get your work done here too. 10-second videos, 15-second videos, landscape or portrait, through AI. Apart from this, there is another amazing model where you can create videos like this for free, and that is Helio AI. I gave it the same prompt for video. The result it gave, look carefully. So in this way, you can make videos from KYAI and Helio. Apart from that, if you search on the internet for free AI text-to-video generator, many models appear where you get the chance to make 1 video, 2 videos, 4 videos with a single ID. So in the beginning, you can go to different sites, log in with different IDs, and make 1, 2, 3, 4 videos each. If you try 10 to 12 free sites, you will find 2 or 4 where you get exactly the same quality results, among which I already told you the top 2, KIAI and Helio. Apart from these, there is Picori, Picverse. There are many more sites where you can do this work entirely free of cost. So this is the method that people today are using to get millions of views on their videos on social media. They are earning thousands, not thousands, lakhs of rupees. Countless AI models are available in front of you, paid ones, free ones. The proper way to write a professional prompt, I have guided you. How to work in Flow, how to generate more videos, I have told you. For your brand, your business, your field, I have given you the ChatGPT Starter Kit, which you will find in the description. And the results you can get from them are right in front of you. So if even now anyone among you is someone who is far from AI, who does not want to understand AI, believe me, that person is making a very big mistake. If they are connected to the internet, they must learn AI, understand it. During free time, talk to ChatGPT about AI. Ask it what capabilities it has, what things it can do for you, what things have become possible now that were impossible before. Increase your knowledge. Take work from AI. Work that used to take hours, get it done in minutes. Work of minutes, get it done in seconds. Work worth lakhs and crores, get it done for a few rupees. And work worth rupees, get it done totally free. So that's all in today's video. If you liked the video, like and share it. I hope you definitely liked the video.